Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use Discord offline. Now you can easily set your Discord status as idle, offline, invisible, and many more. To know how, let's get started. Open the Discord app from your device, the app that has been pre-installed. From this section, go to the Discord symbol at the bottom right. As you see the screen, click on Set Status that comes under User Settings section. When you tap on it, you'll see these options. You can set your status as online, idle, do not disturb, invisible, or you can even customize your status. For the time being, I'll set it as invisible so that the other person cannot see if I'm online or offline. That is how you can change the status on your Discord app. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you like the video or if the video is helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.